Prior to taking an oil sample, visit cleanoil.com lab services and download the oil sample shipping instructions. You can also request for an ACE assessment by filling the online form. Step 1. Ensure that you are correctly trained to collect the sample and equipped with all relevant PPE. If you require additional guidance, ASTM D8112 is a useful guide. Step 2. Wipe the sample port with a lint-free cloth. Step 3. Purge a 250 ml portion of oil into a container that is not your sample bottle. Step 4. Use a new and clean sample bottle designed for oil. Step 5. Fill sample bottle 1/3 full and cap it. Step 6. Shake the bottle vigorously for 5 seconds. Step 7. Discard the oil. Step 8. Repeat steps 5 to 7 a couple more times. This ensures that the sample bottle is free of contaminants before you fill it with a representative sample of your oil. Step 9. Fill sample bottle 3/4 of the way and cap it. Make sure that the lid is tightly sealed prior to shipping. Step 10. Place the sample bottle in a shipping package. Step 11. Complete the form and include it in the shipping package. Step 12. Send the package promptly to EPT Clean Oil Fluid Technical Center. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you are taking a proactive approach and one step closer to lubricant chemistry management.